Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to decrease in Tunisian crochet. I'm going to show you the Tunisian Simple Stitch 2 together. And if you didn't know already, my name is Kendra with Timber and Threads. I'm a Tunisian crochet designer, and if you'd like to check out my patterns, I will put the link to those in the description below. To work a Tunisian Simple Stitch 2 together decrease, you need to insert your hook through the next 2 stitches, yarn over, and pull up a loop. And that is it. And you will see that those 2 stitches came to 1, so we decreased by 1 stitch. I'm going to work the rest of the row, and I will show you that one more time. I will show you that again. To Tunisian Simple Stitch 2 together, you insert your hook through the next 2 stitches, yarn over, and pull up a loop. So we just decreased by another stitch on this row. I'll show you that one more time. Insert your hook in the next 2 stitches, yarn over, and pull up a loop. So as you can see here, where I Tunisian Simple Stitch 2 together at the beginning of every row is causing this side of the project to lean diagonally to the left. And if I continued doing that, we would get a little triangle shape. And so you can use the Tunisian Simple Stitch 2 together decrease to create all sorts of fun shapes for your projects. And that's something that I do all the time in my Tunisian crochet patterns. So I'm going to show you 2 of my patterns where I used that to create different shapes. This is my garden trellis shawl pattern. And I used this for the edging of my shawl right here to create that zigzaggy type of shape. So I would decrease and increase, decrease, increase. So I Tunisian Simple Stitched 2 together, and then I increased to get that zigzag effect. And I will show you another pattern. I used the decrease to create that shape, and that is my seashore shawl pattern. And you can see these wavy shapes. And here's where I Tunisian Simple Stitch 2 together. I used that decrease, and then increased, and decreased, and increase to get that wavy shape. So you can use that decrease to create all sorts of fun shapes for your projects, and I hope you enjoy experimenting as much as I do, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.